In this video I will show you step by step how to trade Forex with IQ option. Welcome to my new video, and I'm already logged in on the platform IQ option. You see my account, and I will show you now how to trade the financial product Forex. IQ option is a multi-language, multi-asset broker, and you can trade here more than one asset. You can trade more than 500 assets. This includes binary options, digital options, Forex, stocks, crypto, commodities, and ETFs. And now I will show you how to trade Forex. I know binary options are very popular with IQ option, but also Forex is very popular with this platform. And now I show you how to do it. So open the menu. You can do it here, or you can open a new tab, and I choose Forex. So I see the different Forex pairs here in this list, and you can choose one. You can choose your favorite Forex pair. There are some Forex pairs which got high liquidity. That means the main Forex pairs between the big countries like Euro, US dollar, Japanese yen, pound, US dollar, Canadian dollar. This means these are the major Forex pairs. Then there are some cross pair, exotic pairs like the US dollar, Mexican currency. This is, for example, exotic pair, or the Euro NOK. So let's have a look on the stats. What you can see here is the market. You can see the spread. This is very important to know. I will also show you that in the platform. The spread means the difference between the buy and sell price. This is like a trading fee you are paying to the broker IQ option, and the spread at the moment is 1.3 pips. It can vary from time to time. You see now the spread is 1.4. I will show you that more clearly on the platform. And yeah, you see the multiplier. This is the maximum multiplier. You can change it like you want, but they show you here the maximum multiplier. That means you can use this multiplier as leverage. Yeah? On this platform, a multiplier means leverage, and it multiplies the investment amount. Maximum of 1,000. And there you see the daily change. You can also create an alert here for Forex trading. That means, I say the price hit the $2 and I get an alert. You can, use it as favorite. This pair, for example, then you always got your pair above in this menu, and you can open this for information. This is very important for fundamental data trader. You see here some stats of long-term trading, yearly change, the daily change. You see here the actual news of Euro US dollar for the Euro US dollar, which can impact the currency price. You see normal technical analysis on economic events and the trading conditions of this asset. So have a look on the information. So this is very important if you are a beginner and want to start trading. Now I will choose here the Euro US dollar as Forex pair, and I'm open the chart here. I will customize it a little bit. I'm using the candlestick chart. We can change the color, but I don't do it yet. And I will change it to 1 hour chart. To the 1 hour chart for this example. So one candle got the expiry time of 1 hour. So it's very long-term trading. Now we can zoom out, we can zoom in, we can use indicators like you want here in the menu below. You can use analytical stuff, but for this example I don't need this all. I want to explain you Forex trading, and yes, I make a screenshot now and present you example trading ideas so you can understand it. You say you buy here at this price you want to buy, and our profit will be above